If you own a restaurant, we need to talk about something that no restaurant owner wants to deal with: employee lawsuits. From wage disputes to harassment claims, the risks in the restaurant industry are real and they're growing fast. That's why today we're going to get into the one policy that every restaurant owner should purchase, which is called Employment Practices Liability, also known as EPLI. Restaurants are fast-paced, high-pressure environments. And with that comes a chance of higher internal issues, like miscommunication, unclear expectations, and even toxic work environments. Whether it's a formal line cook alleging wrongful termination, a server claiming discrimination, or a wage and hour dispute, it really doesn't take much to get hit with a lawsuit by an employee. Even if you're doing everything right, your defense can cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, and that's where EPLI would come in. EPLI is designed to protect your restaurant from financial fallout due to employment-related claims. Here are a few of the things that EPLI typically covers: legal defense costs, settlements or judgments, claims of harassment, retaliation, or discrimination, wrongful termination, and in some cases, even wage and hour violations. At The Bunker, we do not recommend purchasing this as a sublimit onto your current policies. We believe EPLI should be purchased standalone with its own limits. Unfortunately for you, the restaurant industry is one of the most susceptible to employment lawsuits. Here are some of the reasons why: tip pulling practices, overtime and wage calculations, harassment in tight, high-stress kitchens, and rapid hiring and firing without the proper documentation. And let's be real, most restaurants don't have an internal HR department to help them navigate these difficult situations. And that's where things get missed. Now, it's important to know what EPLI does not cover. It typically doesn't cover bodily injury claims to your employees because that's covered under workers' comp. Most class action lawsuits are also not covered unless specifically endorsed. So while it's important to have, it's still imperative that you have really good hiring and firing practices and documentation in order for your business to run smoothly. So if you don't have any EPLI insurance right now, where do you begin? First, I would audit your HR policies that you have in place right now. Make sure that you have clear job descriptions, documented training, and a written employee manual. If you need help implementing these things, at The Bunker, we're more than happy to help move your restaurant from danger to a safe place. At the end of the day, you've worked so hard to build this restaurant, it shouldn't go to waste over a legal technicality. If you're unsure if your restaurant is properly protected, or if your current insurance agent has never spoken to you about the importance of having this coverage, again, at The Bunker, we're ready to help move your restaurant from danger to a safe place. Click the link below to schedule some time to talk.